Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. In today's class, we'll discuss about SMTP protocol in the subject of computer networks. In last class, we seen what is email. Okay, in email SMTP protocol will be used. Okay, again here we're discussing SMTP. SMTP is a set of communication guidelines that allows the software to transmit an email over the internet is called simple mail transfer protocol. It is a SMTP is what? SMTP is set of communication. It's set of communication guidelines that allows software send the emails from senders to receiver. That is nothing but simple mail transfer protocol. It is a program used for sending a messages to other computers based on the email address. Okay, SMTP simply send the emails based on the email address. Based on the email address. Okay, it provides an mail exchange between users, different computers, and it is also supports. Okay, generally a mail will be exchanged between one user to another user or one computer to another computer. It can send a single message to one or more recipients. The same message will be forwarded to one to many. Sending a message can be includes, it is nothing but text message, voice, video, or graphics, or any other type of the messages, etc. Okay, it can also send a messages on the network outside the internet. Okay, it can be sent the emails from one network to another network. The main aim of the SMTP is used to set up the communication rules between the servers. Set up communication rules between servers. The servers have a way of identifying themselves and announcing what kind of the communication they are trying to perform. Okay, for example, if the recipient address is wrong, then what will happen? Then the receiving server replies an error message on these type of error messages. Okay, suppose example, when you are sending the email, the receiver mail is wrong, then the server will be sent one message back to the client. There is a no such type of the emails, that is nothing but error. Okay, what are the components of SMTP? The components of SMTP is user agent, like email మనం already we seen in the email user agent and mail transfer agent. What is a user agent? User agent, who it is nothing but mail, who will prepare the messages, creates the envelope, then it is put into message in the envelope. That mail transfer, that will be sent to mail transfer agent. What is the mail transfer agent? The mail transfer agent will be send the emails from sender side to the receiver side. Okay, for example, is the sender, it is the user will, that is better, it is a user agent will prepare the mail and send it to MTA, mail transfer agent. Here the mail transfer agent will be send the email to the over the internet. Again, receiver side there is a one more mail transfer agent that will be sent to the mail to the again user B. It is user A. It is nothing but again it is a user agent. It is a mail transfer agent. The SMTP allows more complex system by adding replying the system instead of having just mail transfer agent sending side one at receiver and one. Okay, clear? The Relaying system without TCP protocol can also be used to send the emails to users, and this is achieved by the using mail gateway. Generally, here what is mail gateway means, here it will uses the relay systems. Relay systems means without one mail transfer agent to another mail transfer agent. In the internet also there is a one more mail transfer agent. Here also one more mail transfer agent. Okay, the TCP protocol generally will use the send the mails from the sender side to the receiver side. Generally will use the TCP IP protocol. TCP IP protocol. Instead of using TCP IP protocol, instead of this TCP IP protocol, we can use mail gateway to provide the communication between server side, sender side to receiver side. Mail gateway used in the SMTP protocol. Okay, is what is the working of the SMTP protocol? Working of the SMTP protocol means, first, what is the first one? First one is composition of mail. Okay, what is the composition? A user sends an email by composing an electronic mail message using mail user agent. Mail user agent. Mail user agent is a program which is used to send the and receive the mail. The message contains the two parts. Again, here the message contains the two parts. What is the two parts? Body part as well as the header part. Body part as well as the header part. What is meaning of body part? Body part contains the information, and header part contains the addresses of the sender as well as the receiver, sender and receiver. Okay, the next one is the second component is second one is the submission of mail. Submission of the mail means, after composing an email, the client after composition client submits complete email to SMTP server by sending SMTP server. And what about that one? After receiving the SMTP server, the third activity is delivery of mail. The mail will be delivered to receiver side. Mail will be delivered to receiver side mail transfer agent. Then it is to user agent. Okay, this is the delivery of the mail. Okay, and fourth one is the receipt and processing. Receipt and processing. What is the meaning of receipt and processing here? Here the recipient is nothing but, once the incoming message is received, the exchange server delivers it to incoming server, that is nothing but mail transfer agent, which stores the emails. Okay, recipient is what is the once this mail is receiving once the incoming messages comes, that mail transfer agent stores those messages in inboxes. Okay, these mails will be wait for the user retrieves. When the user will be opens the mailboxes, then it will displays their content. And the last one is access and retrieval of the mails. Access and retrieval. Access and retrieval of the mail. What is the access and retrieval of the mails means? The stored emails can be retrieved by using mail user agent. Okay, when you want to open at the time, this mail user agent will be retrieve your mails from the inboxes. Mail user agent can be accessed by using only login, with the help of the login as well as the password, login name and password. This is about the SMTP protocol. If you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section. Thank you everyone.